All right, let's learn how to play the minor blues scale. So I'll just kind of show you what it sounds like here. So that's a minor blues scale. So the way we form this minor blues scale is first you have to understand what your minor scale is. So a minor scale starts on any note, so you can start from any note, and then you just follow this pattern. So we start here on C. So then you do this pattern of whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, right? So this would be our C minor scale because we're starting on C and then following the minor scale pattern of whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, right? So all the minor blues scale is it's the first note of the scale, the third note, the fourth note, the fifth note, and the seventh note. And then it adds one note, which is the note in between the fourth and the fifth note, which we would call the sharp four because it's half a step higher. So it's basically the first, third, fourth, fifth, and seventh. And then you add that note in between the fourth and the fifth. And that gets you your minor blues scale. So you could play fun little blues runs. And now let's just build it on another scale just so you really get the idea of here. Let's take our A minor scale, right? So we start on A, we do whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, right? So our A minor scale actually uses no sharps and flats. And then we remember we use the first, third, fourth, fifth, and seventh, right? First, third, fourth, fifth, seventh. And then we add that note between the fourth and fifth. So that note right there, we'll add that one, and then we get our A minor blues scale. And you see it sounds the exact same. So practice finding all your minor scales and then building the minor blues scale in all 12 of your different keys.